Hello, hola. As you can see, I got some. So I took my hair. Well, I took the Hold on. Good Lord. Let me mute my job's Zoom meeting. Jay just talked too much. But I took the eye tips out, washed my hair, um, just blow dried it. And what I use to blow dry my hair is the Lotta Body silk press, which I'll show at the end of the movie, not the movie, but the end of the video, so that you can get an idea of what it is. The reason I put that on my hair when I blow dry it, just so that I can get a little bit straightness, but not super straight. And then in the middle of me taking my eye tips out, I think I didn't put enough of the dissolvent on there. So I created like a little tiny bald spot here. It's not like bald, but try to cover it. It's a little bit light shaded. So I am going to be using my ginger and clove hair oil to grow that out, because I'm like seeing the promote. Like the other day I went to pull a gray hair out of my hair, and I noticed that like the tip of it was gray, but the rest of the hair was brown. So when they say like cloves darkens your hair and stops gray, it really does. And I took a picture of it because I was still shocked, like holding this piece of strand, and I was like, how does that happen? Why is the full strand not gray anymore? Um, so I went through and noticed that a lot of strands that were gray in my hair, like I could see one here, are starting to grow in like brown at the bottom. Like this little piece is, and it's funny that I am trying to pull this little gray out. That one's actually gray, but there was a couple. It's like when I go to really look at them, they're starting to grow out brown, which is my natural hair color. But overall, it does work for growth. But what I'm doing today is I bought, well, I seen a couple of videos where people have bought, like, eye tip hair from Amazon. And then I had wanted to try these new micro link beads, not like the regular ones that you usually buy, which I have a couple of here. But with this one that I bought, the hair came with a pack of large beads, and then the regular size micro links. And then also came with I have so many of these loopers, it's ridiculous. A looper. But what I did was I wanted to try this new link. And if you can see, oops, at the bottom of this link, the mouth is a little bit more wider per se. So it lets the hair be freer, but I noticed that it gripped the micro link really, really good. So I am gonna go ahead and try that. And then I went to straighten the hair out. I did this 2 days ago when I received the hair. I just hadn't made a video yet. It's super straight. Like, I've had kinky hair and it'd be like you still get like a little bit of a wave pattern in there, but I can't wait to install this so that I can see the outcome of it, because I mean, that's just too straight compared to, let me pull one of these out. See the difference? It comes kinky straight, because I got the kinky straight, and this is from Amazon. And then I had to do the flat iron test at 450 degrees because I wanted to see if the hair was going to burn or if it had plastic in it. And it's 100% human hair. And and then I even did like a curl test on it just to see, like with the flat iron, just curled it. Psh, beautiful. But I'm going to go ahead and get these installed as I listen to my Zoom for the day at work. I thought I'll multitask. Because I'm not exactly on camera, but I know my manager is probably going to be hitting me pretty soon talking about get on camera. But I just wanted to send this out. So after I get started, I'm halfway through my head, I will come back on camera and show you the install of how I'm doing these. I'm really excited to use these beads. And I also bought these. First I saw them on Alibaba. And I was like, oh, what are those? So then I went on Amazon on hunt and I found them and I ordered them. See? Has a wide mouth, much different than your actual bead. So when you go to put the eye tip in there, like it falls on there, it fits, and there's still room for your hair to go in there and smush. So I can't wait to use these because my hair is not exactly clamped down in like a regular bead size. But let's get started. I will check in with you guys in a minute. So I did one row so far. I got everything on TV, work. All right, mighty San Antonio, I know. But as you can see, here's my hair sticking out of the new links I'm using, and they are holding actually very tight, I must say. But this first row is already done. And with me, I don't do like row by row. I do them like my single, when I do singles in my hair, I just grab hair. It just became natural to me just to feel for it, you know, the amount, and I just stick an eye tip on it like I do my braids when I do singles because I like fullness. So instead of me doing like row by row, box by box, I would say, square box is mostly how I've been seeing it. I just grab hair and stick eye tip on it, grab hair, stick eye tip on it, and make sure there's no loose strands nearby. If there is loose strands nearby, then I comb it out and then grab hair again and stick it in there. But I will come back and let you see how the results are coming. I'm not going to try to make this video super long. I might do, a little bit of some video showing me add some in once I get closer up to the top. But with me doing the back, I'm just going to stick it how it is right here. And then we can go through the process, I guess. All right. So I put all the links in, and I'm actually doing micro links again. I actually like these new links I'm using. They're flat. They hold the eye tip really well, so you don't need, like, the other ones you might need like 2 or maybe 1 depending on the size of the eye tip. But this Amazon hair eye tip was really small for the size of the link that I was using, and it clamps in perfectly and tight. So I'm just going to add about, I think, because I had a bundle of 18, which came with 100 eye tips. And then I had a number 12. Yes, those are really odd numbers to put in my hair. But with the 12 being over the 18, because I like to layer my hair myself when it comes to cutting and everything, which I'm going to flat iron the hell out this hair. Because, like I said, it blends in so far. Like I have tips here in the front, but you can't even tell they're in there. Like I said, these things are like flat. When I say flat, they are they're flat. So I'm going to finish here in the front. I just had to part it on where I wanted everything. And you can still see my little bald spot where I pulled my hair out from the tape ends. Maybe I shouldn't have them out while I was at work, but hey, you do what you want, you gotta do it sometimes. But like I said, I have some here in the front too, which this hair is not bad if you're like a 4C type of person like me. Like, the blend is good. I showed you a piece yesterday, which Lord knows what I did with that piece. But, oops, let me clock in from work because I am at work. But I'm going to add the last, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 pieces in my hair. And then I'm going to flat iron it. And I will give you a video of the final look. I'm going to put some oil on my hair. But I will have the link down below as well. And a couple of pictures, you know, after this recording, before ending this recording. But I'll show you a picture too of the final look of flat iron. I'm excited. Yeah, last night my boyfriend went to a motorcycle function, and when he came home, because you know I started this while I was at work, and it gets him every time because he saw me taking the tape outs yesterday in the morning, and then he came home and I had another full head of hair, and then I finished the last of it last night while he went on his little meet and greet or whatever it was. But because he's with Wicked Wills of Sacramento, I don't do those functions anymore. As I come of age, my lifestyle and taste have changed to more sophisticated stuff. I like a lounge, or maybe a bar, or a pub. I like to diversify my palette when going out. But that's another thing. Whew. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up. And then finish out the video here. But I am going to go ahead and pause because I'm not going to keep you on a long strand. And like I said, I have my own wands and beads on it. And I just grab hair. I'm not really particular about how much hair I need. And really, I don't even look in the mirror when I do this. And you see I'm not super close up to the front because I still want to pull it up like in a ponytail if I need to. But watching myself do this on video makes me laugh almost. Now most people see the Itip's in there. And there it is. And I don't do it, well, that part was probably off a little bit. I probably unloosen it and redo it again or bring it down. But as you can see, therefore if I pull it back, you don't even see it. Boom, shakalaka. So I'm just going to do a couple of bit more and then I will be finished. And this is a little thick piece, so I probably just do them sporadically throughout so that could just be a little bit fuller in the front. Kind of hot, just got out the shower too, so my press, it's not coming out because if I go like this a lot, it'll end up being straight again because of, like I said, the straightener that I use in my hair when I wash it, after I wash it and moisturize it. But we'll talk to y'all later. Or what should I say? I'm gonna pause this and then I'll be back. Oh, there goes that straight piece, like I told you. And this is the sample of this one. This is it in its natural form, and this is it in its straight form. So now I guess I have 12 pieces to put in my hair. But all right. Hello, 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 good morning. So I just want to make a quick update on, in the beginning of my video that you're watching, I was telling you I took the tape outs. and I snatched myself bald. It was right here in the front, but I was going to put some cloves and castor oil that I made on it to grow it back. And if you look where it was like bald, like I say like this, maybe I'm over dramatic. The hair actually grew back. It's growing back fast. And I did that video on September 24th. And today it's October 16th. And I use it 3 times a week. So I am going to do a video showing you how I made the oil. And you can either drop it in or put it in, but I am going to show you how I make it because it does grow your hair. But that's all. Just wanted to do a quick update. Oops. Headset. But don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you for watching my video. And yes, these are still my Itips from Amazon in my hair. I did take some out in the front here where I had it swooped to the side, but I am going to have pictures posted as well, so you can see the different hairstyles I did. Just to give you an idea, but like I said, the hair blends. But then again, it is still morning for me. All right.